heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Came outside just to look around a little bit, and I didn't walk too far. The first thing I noticed is that I'm showing you my roof. All that snow is going to melt and come down, and it's going on top of the gazebo. I'm not tall enough, but you can see where I took these I think they called crimping ties or whatever. And so when it does start melting, hopefully it'll melt toward this way and feed water to my trees. I'm afraid to stand on something and take the other two down because there's nobody here. And I don't want to fall. So I'm being very careful, and I'll just wait until somebody comes over. I think my son-in-law is coming over tomorrow and bringing Brian and Bria, and we'll go over there in the greenhouse. Now, it's so good that the greenhouse has a steeple-like angle to it, so all that snow, I'm going to get closer. I'm being very careful. All the snow, let me pull back, that was on the greenhouse has melted and slid down. So that's a good thing. Okay. Yeah. All right. This is that magnolia tree. Everything looks good, really. It really does. It's really beautiful. Bringing back childhood memories of the winters in Indiana. This is very heavy blanket of snow on this gazebo. Woo! Ooh, that's heavy. The cleanup is going to be ridiculous. And I can see water melting there. All right.
Because if he's doing a job, yeah.
He's great at getting that water out the gazebo.
Yeah. And
He thinks the frame is broke, but I don't.
No, the frame's not broken.
How do you know?
Because
You don't know. It could be. It could be. We got the ladder if you need it.
Daddy, can I help you? Maybe you should get the hook off.
No, it's still in the middle.
Well, you may have to just take the whole thing down. There you go. Ah! Your daddy did that on purpose. He didn't even give us no warning. Look at that big old snowman head.
Oh, snowman!
Woo!
I want to build a snowman. Oh my god! Wow. There's your free slushy bin, Mama. It's free. There's your free slushy bin, Mama.
I don't want that nasty slush.
Hey! But you can actually eat snow.
I'll let you guys know in a few days if we're able to salvage the frame. There's no reason why I should file a claim with the insurance company because the deductible is higher in cost than the actual frame. But I think if I can get 2 men over here, we can bend that frame and get the cover back on. We'll know in a few days. It's going to be in the 60s this week. Okie dokie.
The end.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye now.